To connect Veeam Backup and Replication to your Hyper-V servers, fire up your Backup and Replication console and then head to Inventory. Choose Microsoft Hyper-V and click Add Server. Type in the DNS name or IP address of your Hyper-V server and then choose which sort of Hyper-V server it is. In my environment, I'm using a standalone Hyper-V server, and I need to add some credentials for it. If you need to customize any network ports, you can do so here, then click Next. As you can see, it's identified that there are two components that need to be installed, and when I click Apply, it will go off and do so. The various setup steps have now completed. Click Next to get a summary of what the configuration was, and then click Finish. I can now see my Hyper-V server under Microsoft Hyper-V, and if I click Rescan, you can head off and query the server, but you can already see behind there that it's picked up my two test VMs and their various sizes and what guest operating systems they have. I'll leave this rescan running, but that has been connecting Veeam Backup and Replication to a Hyper-V server.